Hello and welcome to the first video of Correlate Insights. This is your host Yukta Bhuneja and I am a researcher by profession. Today, the era that we are living in is so much consumer centric. More than ever before, brands are today built about what the consumer wants, what the consumer desires, and of course, what the consumer needs. It is about knowing your consumer so well that the product that you have made feels it was just made for them. So, how do you become more consumer centric? How do you get to know what your consumer likes or dislikes? Why would your consumer choose you over a competitor? The answer to all of these questions lies in one important factor, and that is consumer data. How do you unlock this consumer data? Through which tool? That's consumer research. Consumer research, also known as market research, is present almost everywhere in a brand's journey, from its birth to its growth, maturity, reinvention, and even after its decline. It is very interesting to watch businesses rely on market research to validate an idea before launching, to test a product's demand before the production, to know where your consumer is, whether it's offline, online, to know what kind of messaging will resonate with your audience well. All these questions can be answered with this very important tool, consumer research. In case you're a business, irrespective of big or small, do not do guesswork. Research, because the brands who listen to their consumers are the ones that win. We all are aware of the ketchup bottles that we use. It is so convenient just to squeeze it out as and when needed. But was the case always like that? Not really. This one time before the top down bottles were invented, the brand noticed that there's some issue the consumers are facing. It was an observation based research where they could see that it was very difficult to dispense the ketchup as and when needed. And consumers always placed it upside down to expedite the process. And that is how the bottles that we use today have come into the picture. This innovation worked in the favor of the brand as they listened to their consumers and boosted their sales, increasing their market share in the world of ketchup. Another example would be when this brand that manufactured dishwashing liquids and bars, thinking what can be done differently? What do we do to stand out? And through an observatory research, they saw their consumers, especially women in rural region, using lemon and ash to clean their utensils, and it shined brighter than ever before. That is how they came up with a product that said, "So Nimbuo ki Shakti." So yes, just a mere research, observation-based research could lead them to a product that is a fine hit today. All it takes is to just look at your audience. What are the problems that they are facing? What are their pain points? And address those. That is how you will be able to become the brand that you wish to become one day. With this, I would like to tell you that we are at the end of the video. But before you go, let me tell you quick things. What can you expect more on this channel? So in case you are a brand, a business yourself, we can help you where your brand is lacking, what can be done, how to get to know your consumer better, all of this on this very channel. And in case you are a student and you wish to learn more about market research as an industry and wish to enter, this is a place to be. What are we going to do in the second video? We are going to talk about how market research, aka consumer research, helped and evolved the hotel industry. What were the different things that the hotel industry did and became the great hit that it is today. So stay tuned as we bring more interesting content for you on this very channel. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe.